Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TECNO Camon 18 to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both. Now tap on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and get this app from this developer. When it's ready, select Open. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. In this pop-up you can click on Not Now if you wish to, and then close it by tapping on OK button. Then, in order to continue, click on Receive at the bottom of your Android and Send next to it on TECNO Camon. Now you can click all of your files that you wish to send. You can click on, for example, one, or select all of those dots from all of those categories and tap on Send next to selected. I will go with only one file though, so I have to tap on it, choose Send and click on Got it in this pop-up. Over here you can choose whatever you wish to and then tap on Close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code by clicking on the scanning icon next to input key, then choosing while using or only this time and pointing this Android's camera at the code. But we can always input this key over here as well and click on Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!